Friends, now we have one more IPO which requires in-depth discussion. Burger King Limited IPO will open on 2nd December 2020. The company has incurred huge losses during last 4 years and yet demands huge premium in this IPO. Hence detailed discussion is necessary. Burger King is one of the fastest growing international quick service restaurant chain in India. During the first 5 years of its operations based on number of restaurants. As a national master franchise of Burger King brand in India, the company has exclusive rights to develop, establish, operate and franchise Burger King branded restaurants in India. The globally recognized Burger King brand is also known as home of the Whoppers. Was founded in 1954 in the United States and is owned by Burger King Corporation. It holds a portfolio of fast food brands that are well recognized around the world. That includes the Burger King, Popeyes and Tim Horton brands. The Burger King brand is the second largest fast food burger brand globally as measured by the total number of restaurants with a global network of 18,675 restaurants in more than 100 countries and US territories as at 30th March 2020. The IPO company's master franchise agreement provides it with flexibility to tailor its menu to Indian tastes and preferences, as well as its promotions and pricing. Accordingly, the company is catering to the local Indian palate, offering a wide range of vegetarian meal options. It also increases the frequency and occasions when customers can visit its restaurants, which drives footfalls and same store sales. This strategy has driven footfalls and same store sales in its restaurants and enabled it to become one of the fastest growing QSR brands to reach 200 restaurants among international QSR brands in India during first 5 years of its operations. Since opening its first restaurant in November 2014, it has used its well-defined restaurant rollout and development process with the aim of growing quickly, consistently and efficiently into a pan-India QSR chain and capitalizing on the growing market opportunities in India for QSR restaurants. As at September 30, 2020, it had 261 restaurants including 8 sub-franchised. Burger King restaurants across 17 states and union territories and 57 cities across India. Of our 261 restaurants as on September 30, 2020, 226 were operational. As at the date of RFP, it had 259 company-owned Burger King restaurants and 9 sub-franchise Burger King restaurants, of which 249 were operational. Its revenue from sale of food and beverages grew from rupees 375 crore in fiscal 2018 to rupees 835 crore in fiscal 2020. However, COVID-19 crisis had a significant impact on its results of operations at the end of fiscal 2020 and in the 6 months ended September 30th, 2020, resulting in a decrease of its revenue from sale of food and beverages to rupees 134 crore in the 6 months ended September 2020. Compared to rupees 490 crores in the 6 months ended September 30th, 2019. However, its same store sales grew at 29.21% in the fiscal 2019 and 6.11% in the 9 months ended December 31st, 2019. This can be taken as indicator of growth potential of this company and its business. Now let's discuss IPO particulars. The IPO comprises of up to 1350 1350 lakhs equity shares aggregating up to 810 crores, which includes fresh issue of rupees 750 fresh issue of 750 lakh equity shares aggregating up to rupees 450 crores, and offer for sale of 6 crore 6 crore equity shares aggregating up to rupees 360 crores. The shares are offered in the price band of rupees 59.60. Minimum order quantity is of 250 shares. So the retail investor has to invest minimum rupees 15,000 for one application. The shares will be listed at BSE and NSE. The IPO opens on 2nd December and will close on 4th December. The listing of this IPO is expected on 14th December 2020. Now let's discuss finances. In the year 2018-19, the earning per share was negative rupees 1.44. In the full year 2019-20, the earning per share was negative rupees 2.87. And in the first 6 months of current year, that means 2020-21, the company has negative earning per share of rupees 4.14. The book value of share as on 30th September 2020 is just rupees 7.62. The upper price band to book value ratio is 7.87. This company has to be compared with Jubilant FoodWorks, another listed company, and which operates Domino QSR chain in India. At present, Jubilant, which operates Domino's chain, has 1,354 outlets. If we compare Jubilant and Burger King, then we have to understand that Jubilant has total 1,356 outlets in India, and the company is also having franchise for Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. As compared to Domino's, McDonald's has 481 outlets in India. Another American company, Subway, has 581 outlets in this country, whereas KFC has 454 outlets at present. As compared to these four brands, Burger King has only 261 outlets, and we have to evaluate these two figures. If we consider one angle, then Burger King has huge potential to expand in this vast Indian market, which has huge population, whereas from another angle, it has to face tough competition from above four multinational brands. Yet we have to understand that the Indian market is very vast, and because of its vast population, it can grow exponentially. Lead manager of this IPO are Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, CLSA India Private Limited, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, JM Financial Limited, and registrar of the IPO is Link Intime India Private Limited. One more aspect we have to understand. At present, Jubilant FoodWorks has 36.19% holding with foreign financial institutions, and at present retail investor has just 3% stock in Jubilant FoodWorks. Similar pattern is expected even in this Burger King once it is listed. FII may have strong fancy for this script after its listing. So I suggest that at present one should apply in this IPO, and it is expected to give huge returns on listing. Thanks.